We're in Midland, Michigan at the Grace A. Dow Memorial Library, putting on a 80 mil Innovi TPO IKO commercial roof system. This job is about 480 squares in 4 different sections.
It was a ballasted EPDM roofing that was on for 20 plus years, and we're tearing all the insulation off, going down to the deck.
We have 2 different variations of deck type. One is a metal deck that we've adhered 2 layers of insulation and an 80 mil membrane. The other is a gypsum where we've attached an IKO vapor barrier, 2 layers of insulation, and a fully adhered 80 mil TPO membrane.
Yes, IKO is very good. The guys love it. It's reasonably priced and it's a good product.
Valley is an IAAP-certified applicator. So they are going to provide the City of Midland a Diamond Shield warranty on this project. It's IKO products and accessories. The nice part about this system is that the only thing that's really attached with any fasteners is the base sheet. Everything else is adhered.
The guys like doing the fully adhered. It's a better system, I feel. Some of the challenges for this job was, it was a ballasted roof system, so we had to pretty much put all the weight up on there to try to keep it from blowing off. And we've had a lot of winds this year, so they have some trees in the back that they didn't want to trim back from the roof, so we put an extra layer of 1/2-inch high-density iso board over it for puncture resistance.
Gray was selected because there are some visible areas, a lot of window space, and they didn't want the brightness of the white, so they went with the gray membrane here to tamper it down a little bit. Both companies, Valley Roofing and IKO Commercial, wanted to be, confident that they were gonna be able to install this and put a quality product on for the City of Midland. Andrew, my field technical rep, spent 2 days on site. It works out really good for Valley as well as IKO Commercial when we have contractors that are trained regularly because products and systems change from time to time.
That's why we choose IKO Commercial.